Hello and welcome back to our channel. So for grade 9 we have already done exercise 2.1. Now for exercise 2.2 just we are starting some common things. So today we will do exercise 2.2. So for doing exercise 2.2 there are some general terms. Let me take any polynomial 2x plus 3. Let me say this polynomial is polynomial P for polynomial of variable x. I can say this polynomial can Q also of variable y. Variable should be written here inside the bracket. So I can write 7y minus 4. Okay. Or I can write it something else. 21. This is also the polynomial. So what should I do? Now the thing is find the zeros of these polynomials. Okay. So what are the zeros of these polynomials? Zeros means the value of the variable. Okay. So we have to put the value of variable x. Such value that this by putting this value 2x plus 3 will become 0. So the value of variable for which the polynomial will become 0. So that means value of x should be like that 2x plus 3, the value of this will come 0. Okay. So that value of x will be the 0 of polynomial. That means solution of polynomial. Same way value of y we have to put such value of y so that 7 into that value minus 21 should come 0. That means the value of y is the 0 of this polynomial. So how to find? See, 2x plus 3 should become 0. So what should be x? You can find from here only. 2x is equals to 3, you send this side, minus 3. So x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. So that means if we will put x is equals to minus 3 upon 2 in this polynomial, so this will become 0. So the 0 of this polynomial is minus 3 upon 2. Let us put 2x plus 3. This is the polynomial of x. In the place of x I am putting minus 3 upon 2. Okay, in the place of x. So 2 into minus 3 upon 2 plus 3. 2 to cancel. Minus 3 plus 3 is equals to 0. So it becomes 0. So the value of this is, the 0 of this polynomial is minus 3 upon 2. Same way what will be the 0 of this polynomial? Put 7y minus 21 is equals to 0. Means this polynomial should become 0. So 7y is equals to plus 21. Y is equals to 3. Okay. So 3y is equals to 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, fine. It is clear. Now let us do a exercise. This thing should be clear to you. What are the zeros? Nothing else. That means the value of your x, y for which the polynomial will become 0. Okay. Exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. You have to find the value of this polynomial at first part x equals to 0, second part x is equals to minus 1 and third part x equals to 2. For these three values you have to just find that what will be the value of this polynomial. Let me say this polynomial is p of variable x. So this is the variable x. Let me write in sequence. First the highest power minus 4x square, then power 1 plus 5x plus 3. Let me put first part x is equals to 0. Put x equals to 0. So p of, in the place of x is 0, minus 4 into 0 square is 0 plus 5 into x की place में 0 plus 3. 4 zeros are 0 plus 0 plus 3. 0 plus 0 plus 3. So the value of this polynomial is 3. Same way put x is equals to minus 1. So second part put x is equals to y minus 1. So what will do? 5 into minus 1. Whatever the negative power we have, negative value we have, we always have to keep in brackets. Okay, minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3 plus minus 5 minus 1 square, power is even, so this value will become plus. So plus 1 into minus 4 plus 3. That means minus 9 plus 3, 6 minus 6. The value of this polynomial will become minus 6. Third part, same way you have to do with your own. Okay. So now come to second question. What is our second question? Second question is find p at 0, polynomial at 1 and polynomial okay, of each of the following polynomials. So first part is given to you, polynomial at y is equals to y square minus y plus 1. Put p of 0, p at y is equals to 0. So 0 minus 0 plus 1, this will become 1. So p at 0 is 1. Then same polynomial I have to put for p of 1. So in the place of this y, 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So that means 1 minus 1 plus 1, these two cancel out, the value of become 1. And third thing we have to find p at 2. That means when the value of y is 2. So that means y is 2, 2 square minus 2 plus 1. So 4 minus 2 plus 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. So these are the different values of same this polynomial at p at 0, p at 1, p at 2. Same way you have to do the rest part and try to do the rest part yourself. Okay, because these are very easy. You have to keep, first you have to write the polynomial. One by one you have to put 0 in the place of y, then 1 in the place of y, then 2 in the place of y. So you will get the value of polynomial at 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So let us come to question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is verify each of the following zeros of the polynomial indicating against that. First part, p of x equals to 3x plus 1, and here it is given x is equals to minus 1 upon 3. So you have to verify the value written against that. That means x is equals to minus 1 upon 3 is the zero of this polynomial. इसको verify करना है, ठीक है. verify करना means ये true होना चाहिए, इसकी value रखने पर ये 0 होना चाहिए, ठीक है. अगर ये इसकी value x की value इसमें substitute करेंगे 0 आ गया तो ये verified हो गया. okay, so put x is equals to minus 1 upon 3 in p of x, polynomial of x. So let me write very first polynomial of x is equals to 3x plus what is the value of x? Minus 1 upon 3 is equals to minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. 3 to 3 cancel out. 3 minus 1 upon 3 is equals to minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. So the value comes 0. That means the polynomial of this value of x becomes 0. So this is the 0 of this polynomial. So we will write hence verified. Okay, so same way you have to do second part. Second part, let me put, okay, let us do the second part. Second part is given to you, p of x equals to 5x minus pi for x is equals to 4 upon 5. Okay, so put x is equals to 4 upon 5. So p of 4 upon 5 is equals to 5 into 4 upon 5 minus 5 will write as it is. 5 to 5 cancel. So what is the value? 4 minus pi. So the value of the remainder is not 0. So we will write therefore this is not a 0 of polynomial px. So x is equals to 4 upon 5 is not a polynomial of this is means therefore x equals to 4 upon 5 is not a 0 of this polynomial px. तो ये इसका 0 नहीं. So because we are remainder is not 0. The same way we will do, let us do your fourth part, or let me do your seventh part. Seventh part is little bit of root 1, that will be of root 1. So let me do your seventh part. What is your seventh part? Polynomial of x is equals to 3x square minus 1 for the value of x equals to minus 1 upon root 3, comma 2 upon root 3. That means there are two values of x. So one by one we have to just see for both the values. Okay. So very first let me put x is equals to minus 1 upon root 3. So let me write this polynomial. P of x is equals to 3x square minus 1. So p at minus 1 upon root 3 is equals to 3 into, in the place of x, what you will put? Minus 1 upon root 3. So minus 1 upon root 3, but x is square, so we have to do whole square, minus 1. So what will be the value? 3 into minus will become plus because this power is even. So this will become plus 1 square is 1. Root 3 square. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Minus 1. 3 to 3 cancel. That means 1 minus 1 is 0. So that means this is a 0 of this polynomial. Now come to the next one. Put the second one. Put x equals to 2 upon root 3. So let me write the polynomial. Px is equals to 3x square minus 1. So p at 2 upon root 3. So 3 into 2 upon root 3 x square है, तो x square minus 1. So what will be the value will come? 3, 2 2s are 4 upon root 3 square is 3 minus 1. ये cancel. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So therefore this is the 0, but this is not the 0. So you will write here last, therefore x is equals to minus 1 upon 3 is the 0, is a 0 of polynomial px, and 2 upon root 3 is not a 0 of this polynomial px. Okay, so this is your third question. Hope you will do all the questions, all the parts, try yourself. Okay, and now come to fourth question. Same way you have to do all the question. You have to only put the value and see if they are zeros or not. Okay, let me come to fourth question. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following case. You have to find the polynomial. The first part is p of x is given to you x plus 5. You have to find the 0 of this polynomial. How to find value of x? So x plus 5 should become 0. So therefore we'll write for x plus 5 should become 0. So therefore x is equals to minus 5. So x is minus 5 is the 0 of this polynomial. So therefore 0 of polynomial px is x is equals to minus 5. X की value कितनी होनी चाहिए? Minus 5. Okay, put the minus 5 plus 5 0. Okay, now come to your let us take third part. P of x equals to 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 should become 0. So x is equals to 2x is equals to 5 will go that side. Then x is equals to 2 is in multiplication. It will come in division. So x is equals to minus 5 upon 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Minus 5 upon 2 रखो, 2 से 2 cancel, minus 5 plus 5 0. Okay. So one more let us do. Let us take your sixth part. Sixth part is ax, px is equals to ax. Polynomial of x is given ax, and for a not equals to 0. A 0 नहीं हो सकता. What is the value of a? Ax should be 0. So a इसको divide में लेके आओ. X is equals to 0 upon a. So therefore x is equals to 0. तो x की value क्या रखनी चाहिए? 0 ही रखनी चाहिए. So this polynomial will become 0. So the 0 of this polynomial is 0. Okay. 0 is also called the 0 polynomial. 0 को 0 polynomial भी कहते हैं. Okay. Then come to your last part. Px is equals to Cx plus D, where C is not equals to 0 and C and D are real. C 0 नहीं है तो x 0 हो सकता है. Okay, so therefore we will write Cx plus D should be equals to 0. पूरा 0 जाना है तो Cx is equals to D को उधर भेजो तो this will become minus D. So x is equals to minus D upon C. So minus D upon C is the 0 of this polynomial. So this is your exercise 2.2. Hope you understand. Do your all the question, practice in your rough copy and do in your notebooks. So please practice these questions. Hope you are able to do all the questions because this is easy calculation. So please do it and till then bye bye. See you in next video.